Hey y'all, it's Lady C in the place to be. Lady C in the place to be. Lady C in the place to be. Do you wanna eat with me? Hey, my foodies, what's going on, y'all? Hey, we hanging out tonight. No cooking. We got some Subway subs. One, we've got the Italian BMT. And the other is the cold cut combo. Yummy and yummy. I got my favorite. I grew up in Delaware, and whenever we ate a good sub, we always had some Hers barbecue potato. Well, I always had Hers barbecue potato chips. A lot of people like to eat plain. I love barbecue and I love Hers. Grew up eating them, love them. I'm drinking on some Canada Dry Blackberry Ginger Ale. This is one of my favorites. I love Canada Dry. If I'm not drinking the Blackberry Ginger Ale, which is very hard to find, I'm usually drinking the cranberry. And then I will drink the normal too. But I love Canada Dry. Got it in my cup. So we ready to go. I got a little close and pickle up in here. Yeah. How is everybody doing tonight? Hey, y'all made it to Wednesday. We making it. We getting there. That's all I can say. Ooh, I gotta say my prayer, y'all. I'm hungry. Dear Lord, I want to thank you for the food we're about to receive for the nourishment of our bodies, Lord. Please bless myself, bless my family, bless all my subscribers and their families, Lord Jesus. Please keep us safe in these times, Jesus. Safe from harm. And just keep our family safe, and let us walk in the manner you would have us walk. Amen. Let's get ready to eat. I think this one, you guys, may be, let me see. I don't know which one is which now. I think this is the cold cut, because this has a lot of stuff on it. Or you know what, this is the Italian. This is the Italian BMT. Look at that, y'all. I put peppers, lettuce, tomato, black olives, onion, pickle, everything. I love a good sub with some good veggies on it. And then I love to put a little bit of mayonnaise, not a lot, slight piece of mayonnaise, and then add oil and vinegar. Just a slight. Make sure your bread, should make sure your sub ain't dry. Then you do that Patti LaBelle dance to get it. That's good. I hadn't had Subway in a while, but it was hubby's idea. He said, what do you think about getting Subway? I said, sure, I'm down for it. And it tastes pretty good. To me, Subway is not a real sub like I grew up with, but if you go to the right Subway and they make it right, it tastes good. That chip, you get your good veggies. If you all have not tried this Blackberry Ginger Ale, it's very hard to find it, well, in our area. If you can find it, you gotta try it. It's really good. I love Candy Dry, so I'm a big Candy Dry ginger ale fan. You know how when you was sick, you got to stay home? Well, I used to be able to stay home with my grandmother. And she would give me Candy ginger ale and one of them old school baby aspirins, those pink baby aspirins. I could sit down and watch the stories with her all day, and she would baby me up. Boy, that ginger ale made me feel so much better. I think it was all in our head, but it didn't matter. If you had a cold, give you some of that Vicks Vapor Rub, and wrap you all up. Yeah, my grandmother was old school. Give you that Vicks. We had no money to go to no doctor back then. We had all the staples. Vicks, baby aspirin, Pepto-Bismol. Robitussin. Hey, you better use some of the apples. Better use something you had at the house. You was going to the doctor, you had to be half dead. That's good, y'all. Nowadays, my kids get a hangnail. They want to go to the ER. I look at them like they crazy. Sorry, y'all. They get a hangnail and want to go to the ER. How's everybody doing? I wasn't really out in the YouTube streets today too much. I did a silent stream. And I still put out a video. My scratch off video. But other than that, I wasn't doing too much because I had to work. So I'll probably jump on there tonight. See who got live going on. Gotta keep your name out there. People won't forget about you. You better get that bite, y'all. Get that bite. That's really good. Like I said, whoever made this one knew what they were doing. Sometimes the person that makes it don't know what they're doing. And just comes out terrible. I'm like, man, you can't even make a Subway sub. This one's good. I might watch some news tonight. I haven't been keeping up with what's going on. He didn't know what's going on in the world. A little bit of red onion on there. Look at that, y'all. Love some red onion. I love being on Instagram, you guys. I love Instagram, I really do. But I hate all of you guys trying to date you on Instagram. They think just because you have an Instagram channel, page, whatever, that you want to date them. Telling you things to be, they want to be your sugar daddy. Sending you messages, hey gorgeous, hey pretty. Not interested. Even if I wasn't married, I wouldn't be interested. So creepy for a man just to be sending me messages. I don't know you. I guess, you know, I'm from old school. I don't get down like that. I need to meet you and know you. Man, younger generation, I think that's, you know, they do a lot more on the computer. Not me. Oh, y'all almost done this one half. Get it while you can. If you guys go out to my community page, or if you go to my Instagram page, I posted a picture of a t-shirt that I got from my daughter's friend. She's trying to start her own online, like boutique, like kind of lingerie, different things, t-shirts, shoes. I think it's called Vicious Fantasies. If you go out on my Instagram, you'll see a picture that I just recently took with a bright pink shirt on. It says Vicious across it in black sparkly letters. I love the t-shirt. That came from her. But you know, check her out on Instagram. I think it's vicious_fantasies. And she's on Instagram right now, but she's trying to, you know, branch out and start her own business, and I'm proud of her. So check her out. That's a plug for her. I will wear the t-shirt on the channel one day, so you guys can see it in full. I did post it, but I will wear it I'll be wearing it on the channel. You know, proud of these young girls, you know, college girls, trying to get out and just do some, you know, innovative things. You gotta be about that. You gotta be able to make your money whatever way you can make it. So check her out. She, my daughter modeled some furry slides that she sent her. They were really cute, you guys. They're like little slides and they're furry, and they've got like a little hint of pink. They're white fur and then like a little hint of pink on them. They're so cute. So go on my Instagram channel, check those out. Then go to her Instagram channel and check out the merch. Vicious Fantasies. proud of her. Give a shout out to Angel Light Over Darkness. Hey, she gave me an idea. I'm maybe trying to do a sauce or, you know, doing some kind of food to sell for my channel. I'd have to look into that because I know it takes a lot. You know, I know a lot of people have done sauces and things like that. But it's a good idea. You know, you gotta be able to branch out. So it'll be something that I can research. Find out about. You guys, I'm addicted to Hershey potato chips. I love them. I've been eating them ever since I was young. I like barbecue. A lot of people like plain. I have loved barbecue Hershey potato chips since I was little. I just like the taste. I think I like the salt. I don't know. Probably not good for me, but I like it anyway. Whew. All right, we got one more half, you guys. Oh my God. That was the Italian BMT. This is the cold cut combo. Whew. I don't know whether we're gonna make it through this one. Look at all that. They did good. Oh, Lordy Jesus. Well, I dropped some and my dog ate it right off the floor. Don't gotta worry about a cleanup. My human vacuum cleaner sits right underneath the table. When you start eating, my dog is right there. And he gets fed every day. He doesn't want his food. Now you can tell the difference, you guys. The other sub was wheat bread. This is Italian bread. I'm so used to eating wheat bread, I'm like, I can tell the difference when it's white bread. Ooh. I love wheat bread. But it's gotta be good wheat bread. If you hear any noises, my children. So rude. And loud. This is really good. I'm just killing this. We're killing the game, you guys. Look at that. I should have put them both on Italian bread. Wheat bread. I've been hungry all day. I don't think I ate enough this morning. I'm used to eating meats. And I didn't eat any meat. I had grits and eggs. But I ate a lot for lunch, so I don't know. We still had barbecue left over. I think I was watching Green Fam, and they had leftover barbecue the other day. And we had some too. It's like when you barbecue, you always end up with a lot of leftover. And it tastes better. Second day tastes even better. Speaking of Green Fam, I think it's Green Fam 20. Either Green Fam 20. I don't have my other phone. I think it's Green Fam 20 is their channel. If it's not, I'll come back and correct it. I'll put this video out. But you guys need to get there. They should have a lot of subscribers at this point. I mean, they do have, I think last time I looked, they had like 3 something. But they are funny as all get out. Great couple. And they're always eating good food. So you guys need to get over there to their channel and subscribe. I watch them all the time. You know, I love to watch people that like to eat. And if I said the name incorrect, I think it's Green Fam 20. GREENEFAM 20. And if I said this wrong, I will correct it. But shout out to them, and shout out to any of my subscribers who don't have them. Get over there and check them out. They're good people. Get there, get there, get there. As another famous YouTuber would say. Well, instead of eating, I don't want to keep you guys too long. So, I'm going to say good night. And I'm going to finish my sandwich. Oh, my soda that I love so much. But I love y'all. And I hope everybody is, you know, safe and healthy and happy. All those good things. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. If you have the time, run my playlist. I need my watch hours. I need to do a song today. If you have the time, run my list. Need the list. Need those outs. If you have the time, run my list. Run my list. Run my list. If you have the time, run my list. Run my list. Run my list. But I'm serious. If you have the time, run my playlist. And if you need yours run, let me know. I'm on Instagram, or just leave me a message on one of my videos. Love you guys. Big cyber hugs. Take care of yourself and be safe. Good night, everybody. Lady C is out.